Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to install a drain hose extension on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your drain hose right now is just a little bit too short and you need a little bit of extra length to get to your drain. For this repair, you'll need a pair of pliers and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. Now we're going to grab a pair of channel locks and we're going to remove the water hoses. Make sure before removing the water hoses that you do turn off the water, and when you take the water hoses off, just keep in mind there might be some water still in the lines. So now we're going to remove our drain hose. We're just going to use a pair of pliers, pinch that clamp in, move it up, and pull the drain hose off. Keep in mind there still might be some water in there, so keep a towel or something handy nearby or a bucket to drain that into. So to put the extension on, I want to take this clamp and move it down a bit so it's out of our way, and then just twist this kind of like we're unscrewing it and pull up at the same time, and it pops right off. Now you can grab your new OEM drain hose extension. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put this on, we're simply going to attach the ends and then just twist this again like we're screwing it on, and just twist it back and forth and pull down a little bit. And once you've got it down there a little bit, bring the clamp up right on the spot where it says clamp. And now you've got a nice secure connection there. And then you can grab your other clamp, slide that on, grab your U-hose, and slide that on and twist it down. Move your clamp up here. Then we can get this all turned around and put the drain hose into the drain. We're going to put our drain hose back on, and to do that we're simply going to squeeze the clamp, move it up a bit. We're going to attach this back to the connection here, and once that's pushed all the way down, we'll get our pliers again, grab that clamp and wiggle it down, and now we've got a nice secure connection. And now we're going to screw our water hoses back on. Make sure you've got your hot going to your hot and your cold going to your cold. On this model it's labeled C and H. Once you've got that screwed on nice and tight, grab your channel locks and tighten it the rest of the way. And we'll do the same thing for the other one. Alright, so now the drain hose will be back into the drain. You can hook everything else back up and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.